the story of the potter. The potter is planning. He has got few pots and he is planning, now I have got these 4 pots and I will sell, I will make some profit, then there will be 10 pots. Then I will sell 10 pots, I will make some profit, I will get 20 pots, and then 30 pots, 40 pots. In this way, I shall become millionaire. And at that time, I shall marry, and I shall control my wife in this and that way. And if she is disobedient, then I shall kick her like this. So, when he kicks the pots, and all the pots go. Then his dream is gone. Similarly, we are simply dreaming. With few pots, we are simply dreaming that this pot will be increased into so many pots, so many pots, so many pots. Then, finished. Don't make imagination, make plan. That is, the Guru, the spiritual master, and the government should be careful that these rascals may not make plan. These rascals may not make plan to be happy. Nadu jayat karmasu karma pura. This is karma jagat, this world, this material world is there. They are already inclined. So what is the use? Loki bhapyami samadhu seva nityastu jantu. Just like sex life. Sex life is natural. It does not require any university education. How to enjoy sex? They will enjoy it. Nobody is taught how to cry or how to laugh or how to enjoy sex life. There is a Bengali story. That is natural. You don't require any education for this karma. Now they are making big plans to educate people how to work hard. This is waste of time. Educational institution should be for teaching people how to become Krishna conscious, not to become this or that. That is a waste of time.